Hi there, and welcome back to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to publish indicator in TradingView. If you've been developing your own custom scripts and you're eager to share your creations with the world, you've landed in the right spot. We'll guide you through the entire process, making sure your indicator is all set to go live on the TradingView platform. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to prepare your script. Start by opening the Pine editor, which you'll find conveniently located at the bottom of your chart. Think of the Pine editor as your coding workshop, where all the magic happens. Copy your code or write it directly into this space, and always test it out on a clean chart. This ensures that everything compiles smoothly, without any pesky error messages. Plus, you want to make sure your indicator is displaying exactly as you envisioned. Any issues at this stage will only be magnified once you publish. Once your script is polished and performing well, it's time to publish it. With your script ready, head over to the top right corner of the Pine editor. Look for the Publish Script icon, which resembles an upward arrow symbolizing sharing or uploading. Click on it, and you'll land on your first publishing page. Choose Publish New Script, because that's precisely what we're doing. Next, craft a catchy yet descriptive title and a succinct description that clearly communicates what your script does. Decide whether it's an indicator or a strategy. Don't forget to review and agree to the house rules, then click Continue to move forward. Now let's talk about privacy and access for your script. This is a key decision that determines how your script will be shared. You have a few options here. First, decide on the privacy setting. Do you want it public, allowing everyone to see and find it, or private, only visible to those with a direct link? Then choose the visibility level. Do you want the script open source, so others can view your code, or protected, where the code remains hidden? Keep in mind, this requires a pro account or higher. There's also an invite-only option if you wish to restrict access, but note that this needs a premium account. Finally, it's time to tag and categorize your script. Pick a suitable category such as oscillator or moving average. Categories help users understand where your indicator fits within the vast array of trading tools. Add up to 3 tags to enhance searchability, making it easier for users to find your work. Before you hit that publish button, review all your settings carefully. Everything in order? Fantastic. Click Publish, and TradingView will work its magic, creating a dedicated widget or page for your script in the public library or your personal profile section. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to publish indicator in TradingView. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel PMN Online.